Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lisa from SellerPic. I test AI tools and workflows for e-commerce sellers so you don't waste time on tools that look shiny but don't actually work. Recently, I'm sure you've seen Nano Banana everywhere, from action figures to poster design. It's been blowing up. And yes, SellerPic has now integrated Nano Banana too. You can literally call it inside our chat box to generate and edit images. But here's the real question for sellers: can this model actually change the way you create product photos? Today, let's explore how to specifically use the Instruct, Edit, and Virtual Try-On features in SellerPic. If you're selling clothes online, two things matter most: realistic images and stability. If your pictures don't match the product, you'll get returns and angry customers. If they're inconsistent, your store looks unprofessional. That's why I tested both models across different garment types: tops, bottoms, dresses, and full outfits. For fairness, I used the same prompt for each mode. I also did a masking test, covering the clothing area and asking the model to edit just that part. And I'll show you raw, unfiltered outputs, nothing polished, so you see the truth. Let's start with Nano Banana. To be fair, it's a powerful, general-purpose model. It can make gorgeous creative images, but for e-commerce, I hit the same problems again and again. 1. Details get lost. Buttons, seams, prints often change. 2. Clothing alignment fails. Tops and skirts sometimes float or don't sit right. 3. Randomness. Out of 3 renders, maybe 1 is okay. 4. Masking didn't help. Still unstable. To be honest, simple t-shirts or plain dresses can work, but anything complex? A struggle. Great for creative play, but not reliable for product listings. Now, SellerPic Look Fit, this is where you see the difference. It kept sizes consistent, preserved prints and colors, and batch generation actually worked. When I ran 6 images, most were usable right away. Complex clothing? No problem. Multi-layer outfits, patterned dresses, even sets of pieces looked natural. Lighting, posture, and drape felt real, not AI weird. In short, SellerPic hit those 2 anchors: real and stable. Quick side-by-side so it's crystal clear. Nano Banana, trending, experimental, fun for creatives, but random and detail weak. SellerPic Look Fit, designed for fashion e-commerce, consistent, detail-preserving, listing ready. And I want to explain why those 2 words like real and stable matter so much. Real means the customer gets exactly what they saw. If prints are off or colors shift, you'll see returns and complaints. Stable means you can scale hundreds of SKUs while keeping a consistent brand look. SellerPic focuses on garment preservation and consistent try-ons, exactly what a store needs to grow. Nano Banana doesn't. It's built for flexibility, not fidelity. If you're running a clothing store, here are my tips. 1. Batch, generate multiple angles in one job for consistency. 2. Always zoom in to check prints and seams. 3. Use SellerPic for product listings where you need realism and reliability. The conclusion is that if the goal is to achieve clothing and dressing functions, it is recommended to choose the virtual try-on feature of SellerPic. So, how can Nano Banana be used? Here are 3 cases that I have tested and found to be quite good: creating poster images, A+ images for e-commerce, and background replacement and removal work. These applications all perform very well. The specific use of Nano Banana in e-commerce scenarios will be shared in the next episode. So here's the verdict. If your goal is reliable, realistic clothing photos for your store, SellerPic Look Fit is the practical choice. If you're making wild creative content, Nano Banana is fun and impressive, but don't use it for your main listings. And if you want to try SellerPic yourself, check the link in the description. We will see you next time.